video, all credit goes to Super Mario Logan.
Hi, Mario.
Oh, hey, baby, you ready to hang out?
Yeah.
Come on inside. So what do you want to do? You want to watch TV?
And all the
What's
characters
that
from
noise,
Super
Mario?
Mario Logan.
I don't know, I just ignore it. You want to watch TV?
Do you mind if I use the restroom real quick?
Funny
Sure, but
character.
try to use the...
Yes.
Whatever.
Mario!
That's right there.
What's wrong, baby?
Yes.
Did you know Jeffy was locked in the bathroom for hours?
What? Jeffy locked in the bathroom for hours? I had no idea, baby. Poor Jeffy.
Yes, you did know I was locked in the bathroom because you came up and slapped the door and you said, "Shut up, little shit."
What? Well, I did no such thing. Jeffy's lying. I did not know he was locked in the bathroom, baby. I had no idea.
How could you not hear him?
Well, I mean, I thought all that screaming was the neighbors or a lawnmower.
Oh, that does make sense.
Yeah, lawnmowers make a really loud screaming noise. Say, Daddy,
Well, Mario, we need a way for him to contact us in case he gets into trouble again.
What do you have in mind? I have no idea. He could just scream louder,
We could get him a cell phone.
No, we're not getting Jeffy a cell phone.
Why not, Mario?
Look at him. He's not responsible enough to get a cell phone. He's an idiot. He might call the cops all the time and make random calls and be annoying. I'm not getting him a cell phone. It's a
What
bad
else
idea.
are we gonna do, Mario?
Well, I mean, a cell phone is too expensive, and he's not responsible, and I have an idea. I have a perfect idea. Hold on, just stay right here. Okay, how about this? Walkie-talkies.
Walkie-talkies? Really, Mario?
Yes, it's better than a cell phone. He's not responsible enough to have a cell phone, so a walkie-talkie's easy. All you do is press a button, and he can talk to me. He's always within like 15 feet of me, so, a walkie-talkie's perfect.
I don't know.
Just trust me, baby, trust me. Okay. All right, Jeffy, so here's your walkie-talkie.
Walkie-talkie?
Yeah, it's a walkie-talkie. All you do, if you want to contact me, you just press this little green button right here, and you can talk to me, like, immediately, all right?
Press the green button and talk to Daddy?
Yeah, you press the green button, and you talk into it, and I'll be right there just to answer you, okay? So go in your room and try it.
Okay.
Go in your room and try it. Jeffy, stop. Don't do that. Jeffy, stop that. Jeffy, stop it. Stop doing that. Jeffy, how do you turn this off?
I don't know. It's not working.
How do you turn it off? Jeffy, stop it. Okay, fine. We'll get him a cell phone. Okay? Let's go. Okay, Jeffy. Me and Rosalina have made the tough decision to buy you a cell phone.
A cell phone?
Yes, a cell phone. Show it to him.
Look, Jeffy, you flip it open like that.
Wow.
Yeah, it's really cool. It's kind of like the walkie-talkie, but less annoying. Give it to him.
Here you go.
What am I doing this?
You can make phone calls with it. You put it up to your ear and your mouth.
Put it in my mouth?
Yeah, you can put it not in your mouth. Jeffy!
It don't taste good, Dad.
Why'd you do that, Jeffy? Back to the store. We have to go back to the store.
Told you not to buy a cheap phone.
All right, Jeffy. I just got back from the store and I decided to get you an iPhone, okay?
An iPhone?
Yes, an
Does it go on my eye?
No! It doesn't go in your eye, it doesn't go in your nose or your mouth or your ears. It's just a phone, so you take it.
What am I doing it, Dad?
Open it.
How?
Swipe. Okay, look, here's my number. I already put it in there. Me, that's Mario. Rosalina, that's her.
5 rights.
What?
5 rights at the top.
That's favorites, Jeffy.
What's your favorite?
It's the only 3 people you can call. Look, me, Rosalina, or 911.
So you and Mommy are my favorite?
Yes, we're your favorites, and 911.
Who's 911?
It's the cops. You only
The
call...
cops?
You only...
I get to call the wee-woos, Dad?
You don't get to call them.
Why? You
only-
put a number on my phone.
You only call... Are you sure this is still a good idea?
I'm sure it'll work, Mario.
Look.
Just trust him.
Look, do not call the cops unless you call me or Rosalina first. But you only call us during emergencies, okay?
So I have to call it in this order?
Yes, you have to call it in
And
that...
then I get to talk to the wee-woos.
Yeah, you only get to talk to the cops if me and Rosalina do not answer, okay?
Okay, Dad.
Okay, so take the phone and just scram. Good to go. Yeah, there you go. Okay, fine. Okay.
He'll be fine, Mario. I promise.
Are you sure?
I'm sure.
Okay, let's watch that movie. Let's watch Star Wars. Let me go get it. Okay, the movie's put in. So you ready to watch Star Wars?
Yes, Star Wars.
What? Oh my God! Who is that? Jeffy texting me? What does he want? What? Jeffy, we're watching a movie. Stop texting me. Jeffy, you know what? I'm just gonna ignore him.
Let's watch the movie, Mario.
Okay. Oh, okay. Just start the movie. Jeffy, stop texting me. Now he's calling.
Jeffy?
What does he want? know, I'm just gonna ignore it. I'm ignoring it. I'm ignoring it.
Aw, look, Mario.
What?
Jeffy sent me pictures.
Is that bleach?
Oh, he's so sweet.
It's calling me again. Oh, what does he want? What does he want? Oh my God! Answer the stupid phone. Jeffy, what do you want?
What, darling?
Jeffy, stop calling me. You're in the other room. We can hear you.
Why?
Jeffy, we're trying to watch a movie. Please, just go play a game on your phone.
Games on my phone?
Yes, play a game on your phone. We're trying to watch a movie, okay? Only call me for emergency.
Why?
Jeffy, just please don't call me again, okay?
Aw.
Yes, bye. Okay, wait. Let's watch the movie, okay?
Okay.
If Daddy doesn't want me calling him, who am I supposed to call? I guess I'll just call one of my friends.
Thank you for calling Pizza Hut. Can I get your phone number starting with your area code, please? Fuck! What is it? What is it? Is that an air horn? What is wrong with you?
It's an air horn.
I know what it is! Ah! Calling Pet Smart, this is Eric.
Hey, do you sell pets there?
Do we sell who?
Pets.
Yes.
Do you have goldfish?
Yes.
I like goldfish. Do you have kitty cats there?
Yes.
I like kitty cats too. I have one. You want to hear it? You want to hear my kitty cat?
No, I ain't got time for that.
Thank you for calling Applebee's. This is Chelsea. Can I help you?
Hey, this is really embarrassing, but I'm stuck in the bathroom and there's no toilet paper.
Oh my god. Alright, I'll send somebody in there to give you some, okay?
Please hurry, it's starting to itch.
Oh my god.
Hi, thanks for calling Domino's on 9 Mile. This is Josh. Is this going to be for delivery or carry out?
Oops, wrong number.
You're fine.
Oops, one number.
Hi, thanks for calling Domino's on 9 Mile. This is Josh. Is this going to be for delivery or carry out?
Oops, wrong number.
Again. What number again?
Hi, thank you for calling Domino's on 9 Mile. This is Josh. Is this going to be for delivery or carry out?
Oops, wrong number.
Again.
Can you stop calling this number then?
I just got the wrong number, I'm sorry.
Okay, so whenever you punch the number next time, don't push in this number.
Okay.
Okay, thank you. Have a good day.
Oh. What again?
Hi, thanks for calling Domino's on 9 Mile. This is Josh. Is this going to be for delivery or carry out?
Oops, wrong number.
Can you stop calling this number because you called 6 times and it's the same number. So you're going to have to punch in a different number if you want to get the number that you're trying to reach.
I'm really trying to write the right number down.
Hey, how's it going today? My name is Austin. How can I help you?
Oops, wrong number. I'm looking for Josh.
Thank you for calling Toys R Us. How may I help you?
Hey, is Mr. Wall there?
Mr. Wall?
Yeah.
Nobody by that name works here.
What about Mrs. Wall? Is she there?
No.
No.
Oh, well, how does your ceiling stand up?
What's that?
How does your ceiling stand up if no walls are there?
Hello?
Hey, are you a prostitute?
Of course I am. What's your name?
My name's Mario. Can you touch my pee-pee for $5?
Oh, I love lightsaber battles.
Who could that be?
I don't know.
Let's go answer it.
Okay.
Hello?
Hi. I'm looking for Mario, some guy. We spoke on the phone.
What?
Mario, who is this woman?
I have no idea. I've never seen this girl in my life.
We spoke on the phone. I was supposed to touch your pee-pee for $5. So let's get this over with.
What?
Mario, you cheating!
I didn't do anything! I didn't do anything!
Okay. but this is gonna be kind of long to upload. My favorite freaking character is Jeffy. Jeffy! You know it's Jeffy. So all credit goes to Super Mario Logan and Jeffy. Now I'm just gonna put my headphones back in to watch the video. So yeah, bye.